Hey there, what's up? It's time to talk about something powerful, something that can transform your life: dark confidence. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is dark confidence? Let me break it down for you. Dark confidence is that unshakable belief in yourself, even when the world around you is throwing challenges your way. It's not about arrogance or being a jerk. It's about having the guts to stand your ground and make things happen. It's the kind of confidence that says, I know who I am and I'm not backing down. So, how do you develop this dark confidence? Let's dive into it. First, embrace your imperfections. Look, none of us are perfect. We all have flaws and weaknesses, and that's totally okay. The key is to own them. Accept who you are, flaws and all. When you stop trying to be perfect, you start to feel more confident in your own skin. Next, face your fears head on. Fear is one of the biggest confidence killers out there, but here's the thing. The more you face your fears, the less power they have over you. Start small. Maybe it's speaking up in class or trying something new. Each time you conquer a fear, your dark confidence grows. Another tip: set clear boundaries. Know what you're willing to tolerate and what you're not. Don't let others walk all over you. Stand up for yourself, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. People will respect you more when you have the backbone to say no. Now let's talk about the power of persistence. Life will knock you down, that's a given. But dark confidence means getting back up every single time. Keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. With each setback, you'll learn, grow, and become stronger. And here's a big one: surround yourself with positive influences. The people you hang out with can either lift you up or drag you down. Choose friends who inspire and support you. Ditch the toxic relationships that make you doubt yourself. Your circle should be a reflection of the person you want to become. Lastly, take care of yourself. Confidence comes from within, and that means taking care of your mind and body. Exercise, eat well, get enough sleep. When you feel good physically, it translates to your mental state. So when should you start developing dark confidence? Now. There's no perfect time to start. The sooner you begin, the stronger your foundation will be. It's a lifelong journey, but the benefits are worth it. Remember, dark confidence isn't about being loud or aggressive. It's about knowing your worth and not letting anyone or anything diminish it. Embrace who you are, face your fears, set boundaries, persist through challenges, surround yourself with positivity, and take care of yourself. You've got this. Until next time, stay confident and keep pushing forward.